Good morning, everyone. I'm Mike Moran, and on behalf of the Sarasota County Commission, it's my pleasure to welcome you to the 15th Annual Sustainable Communities Workshop. The theme for this year's workshop is, quote, transforming to new ways forward. For many reasons, this year has been very transformative for both our local community and our nation. For the first time, this workshop will bring us together through a virtual event platform to discuss sustainability issues that we all face that have become more evident this year. Discussions will include the importance of water quality, sustainable building, a circular economy, climate change, and more. Today's speakers will share examples and best practices for projects they work on as individuals and within their organizations to make communities more resilient, healthy, and equitable. We encourage you to use these examples to spark conversation across sectors and generations to forge a new way forward. After all, we cannot chart our course without engaging all community members. As a body, the Board of Sarasota County Commissioners has tried to lead by example when it comes to sustainability. Sarasota County government has a long history of supporting sustainability projects and continues to do so. Some of the county's more recent efforts include investing in fuel-saving technologies in our county vehicle fleet, including plug-in electric cars and installing 18 electric vehicle charging stations with 13 ports, earning the Soul Smart Silver honor for advancing solar energy growth and removing obstacles for solar development, performing programming focused on saving for low-income households through efficiency upgrades. This will be expanded thanks to a new 2-year grant funded by the Charles and Marjorie Baranczyk Foundation in partnership with the Sarasota Housing Authority. Joining the Tampa Bay Regional Resiliency Coalition, a regional collaborative working to build a resilient economy and address extreme weather and climate risks. Implementing a new collaborative grant program, Partners for Green Places, which helps human service environmental nonprofits reduce operating costs. And lastly, integrating energy efficient and green building technologies into our facilities, such as our LEED certified fire stations, libraries, and the extension building. Even with these steps, we know the work is not complete and we must never stop looking for ways to protect our future. We also realize our continued commitment to sustainability cannot be accomplished without you in the community. So let this workshop serve as a place where we build a united community to ensure a better world for the next generation. I'd like to commend everyone involved in organizing this important, valuable workshop. Thank you to those partners and to each of you for your dedication and leadership in these issues. I encourage everyone to attend this event to explore the personal changes you will make as a result of what you will learn here today. I am hopeful everyone will commit to sharing what you learn from here with others and keep the conversation going. Thank you again for joining us today in this unique setting, and enjoy the workshop.